Well, right now I do like Noodle because right now we have this trend to keep an eye on. If this trend fails, we'll be visiting. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, you're welcome. Without further ado, guys, I want to say this has been a fantastic weekend so far. With the market reaction this past Friday, I'm expecting some more momentum in the market. So in my previous video, I talked about the market, what I'm expecting the market to do, and as well other large cap, high price stocks to keep an eye on, right? So now what we're going to be doing here today is going to be the watch list. And what I mean the watch list are recommendations. They are not a financial advice in whatever means, right? So it is just a watch list, what you watch for the coming week to see what levels we have to the upside or to the downside. Okay, I play the RSI, I play the MACD as well, I play the moving average in order to edge my my position, right? So now you're welcome. If this is your first time, you can email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com, or you can follow me on Twitter, okay, at FRNKTSS, even as well as Twitter. And if I cannot post all the stock here on this review video, I will post them up on Twitter and on stock tweet. So keep an eye on those calls as well. Now, the first stock I will be talking about today is going to be this one, right? Which is a CEI. The reason why I brought this up is because this stock has made a fantastic move to the upside, right? And now, due to some reason, news, speculations and all that, and some short position by short sellers, this stock decided to pull all the way back down, right? And it got bought back up only to pull back down to levels, okay? Now, this area, this bottom line, this black line is acting as a support for now. With this line as a support, we also have our immediate support, which is going to be the 200 moving average. Okay, let me highlight that. This area right now, this green line, is going to be our immediate support as per the 200 moving average, which is $1.05, roughly about $1, if I may put it like that. But right now, we are expecting this bottom trend line, this trend line right here, to hold as our support. So buying right around this area at 130, you have your stop loss right below $1. Okay? That is how I will trade this stock if I am trading it. But as well, keep an eye because we have resistance as well. In case price start bouncing off this 130, we have the 20 and the 50 moving average just right above us, right? But guess what? This is going to be another downtrend to keep an eye on, which also correspond with our moving averages, the 20 and the 50. So keep an eye on this 155 level for a continuation into $2 and then more. And then to the downside, this 130 is your base entry with your stop loss right around the $1.05 or even below $1. For me, I would like to hold below $1 as my stop loss, because right now this area will act as a support coming down to this area, right? Just in case price decide to push down to this area, that is what you want to look for. But we need more volume to come in. RSI is extended, and of course, guess what? MACD, I'm looking for a change of direction on the MACD side. Okay, so keep an eye on CEI. I hope I didn't overanalyze this, but that is what I'm looking at in terms of entry and exit, and all, as well what I'm expecting the stock to really do in the coming days. And in terms of looking at stocks, I do like this stock, the way this stock actually broke this level, broke out, and just held and held, pulled back, and just started. That is what I like to see in a stock. Okay, I normally sell some at a resistance level, or when price just couldn't, reclaim the top. So I normally sell at that level. If price exited too much in that level, I normally take profit out. And guess what? We just push all the way higher. Price exited a little bit around this area, and then we sold off, right? Now, let me show you another stock that the pattern looks so good that I like to watch. Is HUDI. Okay, this is another stock that I really do like to watch. I really do like to get in stocks like this for the future. Guess what happened? We broke levels, right? And as we broke this level, we just started pushing and pushing and pushing for the past couple of days, pushing. We exited here for just 3 days, and then we started going again, exited here again. There was an exitation right here, and also if you check this exitation led to what I call RSI. RSI got above the 90% level as well, because anything above 70% is the overbought zone, right? So we got above that area, even into the 91, 92 level, right? So now I'm expecting, I will be expecting price to pull back from this level, right? And price really did pull back from that level into the next support, which is our 20 exponential moving average. Isn't that wonderful, right? Now, in case this $12, $13 area fails, then we're going to be looking for the next area of natural resistance 10, or even we might flush out into $8.75 or $9. So that is what you look for. I like a situation whereby I'm in a stock, and this stock will give me the zeal to keep holding the stock until I get down or break the moving averages. And sometimes I add 4 exponential moving average into my chart that will be around this area, and I'll be out of my position because it's really extended from levels. So guys, these are the kind of stocks I like to take a look at. I like to watch. I don't like stocks that pushes high one day and the next day or the same day stock pull back down and just give back all the gains. I don't like those kind of stocks. Those kind of stocks, I use a criteria on those. I normally, as the stock is headed, to the upside, what I normally do is I take profit off on extension. Okay, price pullback, take profit off and profit off, so that if price automatically just fall back to the means, guess what? All this profit I've taken, I won't be in the red position. So keep an eye on that, because low float stocks tends to do that. Now that we got at this out of the way, guys, I hope I didn't spend too much time on this, and overall I want you to know that this is the watch list, and these are going to be low float, low price stocks to keep an eye on for the coming week. If I don't post all of them, forgive me, I will post them on my stock tweet or Twitter account. Okay, so now let's get into it. The first one here is going to be our wonderful SSY. SSY. Why SSY? Right now, I have some position on SSY, but I'm in the loss right now because I decided to pick some up again at the 250 area. So I'm in the loss right now. But however, our 200 moving average is just right here. So I'm expecting the 200 moving average to reclaim in the coming days. Don't forget, we failed the 200 moving average to $2.35, $2.40. So I'll be expecting price to reclaim the 250 area, which also coincide with our 20 and 50 exponential moving average. I'm looking for a push into the 280 or even $3 on the name. The reason is because this stock is known to pop all the time and fail. We pop, we fail, we pop, we fail, pop, fail, pop, fail, pop, fail, pop, fail, just like that. And I'm expecting some form of a pop in the coming days as well. APRON, right now we have this bullish looking flag right now. We need this 945, 950 break. We get to this area, I think we'll continue to push to the upside. So keep an eye on this area because right now we're bouncing right off the 20 exponential moving average. RONWK. Look for a bottom bounce on this. Right now, our moving averages are all channeled down. I'll be looking for 165, 170 break for the continuation higher. SROAX as well. This one right now is looking really good. So look for 625 break and then we continue to push on the name. CJJD, this is a low price stock. Right now we actually close above the 50 exponential moving average. I'll be expecting more in the coming days. Okay, this was a really good push into close to about $1, so keep an eye on that. Okay, IVC, look for a bottom bounce. This is a bearish looking pattern. If we can break 525 and hold, I think we'll break out of that course. YVR, this one as well, we pretty much reclaim the 50 exponential moving average. I'll be looking for more to the upside. Every time we get to this trend, we tend to reject it, but look for more on the name as price continue to push. Grill as well. Okay, muscle maker, right now 115 is your area to watch for the bounce to the upside. EHR, we are flagging on this name. I'll be expecting more to the upside, but 20 exponential moving average will act as your support. Okay, GHSI as well, we did pop the other day and pull all the way down close to 130, and now we're trying to to gather steam and gather momentum into the the abyss. CETX right now 152 is your area to watch. DBGI, wow, pop fail, that is the action on this name, but right now 350 is your support, so keep an eye on it. I won't be picking up at 450 because it's the middle of this range. So I'll be looking for price to pull to 350 and then I pick some. But if I need like just a scalp play, 550 and above is where you want to watch. GMVD, look for this area right now to hold. 250, 245, 250 is your best bet. If this area holds, I think we'll be able to reclaim this downtrend into $3 and more. IFROX as well, we did pop on Thursday. Friday pulled to that 375 only to continue to close around 424. We are extended. XNTD, look for a bottom bounce. Your area to watch is $4 and then we can continue to push on that name. Nuru as well, right now I do like Nuru because right now we have this trend to keep an eye on. If this trend fails, we'll be visiting 651, so that is the area you want to keep an eye on. DLPN, right now your support is 1050. 1050 is holding right now, so I'll be expecting this to push into 1150 and more into $12, so keep an eye on that. KOSS, look for a bounce just like this nature in the coming days. KLXE as well. This one right now, all your best bet is a bottom bounce play. Right now, I will be looking for a push to the upside. We are consolidating around this area and holding this support very, very well. HLBZ, your support right now is $10. Nothing else, nothing to lose in anticipation of the push into $12.50 or $15 on that. Groom as well, GROM, look for a 200 moving average reclaim. I do like this for a long term. CNTX as well, look for this area, the 550. 550 is your best bet with your resistance around $6. If we can, get past $6, I think we'll be all right. AEI, this one hasn't popped, for the past about a month, so look for some form of a push on that. SBET as well, we've been pulling and pushing lower. So right now I'll be expecting some bounce in the coming days, but be open-minded. CPOP, look for a bounce. Right now we're coiling up, so I'll be expecting $4 in the coming days, and then we'll look for 5 on that name. VROPX as well. Right now we are holding this as a good support. $4 is your support, guys. XNET, XNET, look for a bounce, but right now you're looking for that $3 is your resistance. If we can break that, we're gonna be all right. PALT right now, insider buy coming in August, so right now we're gonna settle around this $5, $5.40, so I'll be looking for some form of a bounce in the coming days on that. LMFA, look what I found. Right now our support is the 568, so that's where you need to keep your mind. SNTG, we are supporting well right now around this $2.20, so keep an eye on it. If we can break 246, 250, I think we should push hard into $4 or $4.50 on that. APROE as well, look for continuation higher. This trend is going to act as our fundamental support. UONE as well, we are pulling back to retest the breakout spot, which is the $9. So I really like this in the coming days to see what it does. ADXS as well, right now this is a small price stock. I'll be looking for price stability around this area for you never know, they could even announce a reverse split even if they don't want to, but keep an eye on that. NAKD has been a disappointing trade because why? I expected more, but I didn't get more, and I sold some into the push. So I'll be looking for this area, 60 cents area, to act as our support. ANY, this support is 50. So 50 is your area of a support. So this area, look for more on to the upside. Options, we also have options on it. TCAT as well, we are pulling lower into the left side of this shoulder. Right now this is the right side, this is the left side, so I'll be expecting price to hold $6 in the coming days. SPI as well, I'm looking for 525 break. ABIO, look at that bottom bounce play. Right now $3 is the resistance, so we pop really close to it and then pull all the way back down, only to close at 274. So keep an eye on that level, guys. Zilla as well, XELA, look for continuation into the 223 holds. I think we'll continue to push on that. AGRI, this one was a very crazy pop the other day. I got caught up. I just cut my losses really quick. I'll be expecting this to hold this $3 spot. Resistance is $4, so keep an eye in the coming days. GFAI as well, this was a fantastic pop on Friday. Right now our support is going to be $3. GIVO, look for 750 break. 750 break, I think we'll continue to push on that name. UAVS, look for bottom bounce play on that. In the coming days, guys, I think this will really push WTROH right now because we're really close to the $2, which is our resistance. So I'll be looking for 250 to come. WKHS as well, workhorse, I'll be looking for bottom bounce play. SONM, looking for bottom bounce plays. A recent reverse split, I'll be looking for bottom bounce play. Right now our resistance is the $3 on that name. OLB as well, right now we are, you know, bouncing off this support. 425 is the support. As we bounce off, I'll be looking for 460, 475 break into the 550. So keep an eye on that particular name. OEG, I'll be looking for a bounce around this 250 area. ATE arrow, guys, look for a bounce around this particular spot. And finally, DATS has been another trade, and right now our best bet is for price to, you know, push into the $859, and then I think we'll continue to push higher on it. But overall, this area is our area of support. 950 is my support zone on it. We just need more volume to come in, guys. With that being said, sorry this took so long because I needed to explain, you know, the pump and dumps and what I expected on small price stocks. But anyways, thank you guys for being here. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're more than welcome to do that. I appreciate that. I appreciate you all being here. Be a positive mindset to the people around you, to the people of this world. Love everyone on the internet because you might gain one or two, even if it's not, you know, the same concept as you are. But be open-minded and love everyone you meet. Peace and love, guys. Bye-bye.